So good morning everybody. So today we will discuss some questions based on the concept comparing quantities. How will you find the ratio? When we can compare the two ratios? When we can compare the two ratios? If suppose A and B are the two quantities. If the two quantities are in the same units, then only we can compare. For example, if you wants to compare 3 meter to 3 meter to 5 kilometer. Am I right here? Now how will you compare this one? Okay, so 3 meter to 5 kilometer. Now 3 meter it is the convert into same unit. Here it is given in kilometer. Now convert into meter, then it will be 5000 meter. So meter you can cancel. That is 3 by 5000, which is nothing but 3 is to 5000. 3 is to 5000. Are you getting there? Yeah. And then after that you can find how will you convert ratio into percentage? How will you convert ratio into percentage? If the given is 3 is to 4. 3 is to 4. You have to convert the given ratios into percentage. Okay. Now otherwise, okay. Now take 2 is to 3 here. 2 is to 3. Tell me, what is the total number of parts? Total number of parts? 2 plus 3 is 5. Total number of parts is equal to 2 plus 3, which is equal to 5. Now what is the percentage of first ratio? Percentage of first ratio is percentage of first part. Percentage of first part is 2 among the 5 parts into 100%. Now 1 5 is 5, 25 is 100, 2 into 20, 40%. This is the percentage of first part. And then second part is, here we know the percentage of first part. Then what will be the percentage of the second part? 100 minus 40%, that is equal to 60%. Otherwise, percentage of second part, that is equal to 3 among the 5 parts into 100%. 20. 3 into 20 is 60%. 3 into 20 is how much? 60%. Are you getting there? Yes. Now find 50% of 164. Find 50% of 164. How will you find that? Yes, 50% means what? Simply half of that. So half of 164 is what? It should be 82. Okay, we will find out. 50% of, then A percentage can be written as A by 100. That is A into 1 by 100. So 52% can be written as 50% can be written as 50 by 100. Half means nothing but multiply 164. We can cancel here. 1 5 is 5, 2 5 is 10, 1 2 is 2, 8 is 16, 2 2 is 4. Then the answer will be 82. Answer is how much? 82. Are you getting? Yeah. Now come to the next part. That is 12.5% of 64. 12.5% of 64. First you convert this mixed fraction into an improper. 12 to 24. 24 plus 1 is 25 by 2% of 64. Okay. So now A percentage can be written as A by 100. So 25 by 2% can be written as 25 by 2 into 1 by 100 into 64. Into 64. Now 1 2 is 2. 32 2s are 64. 125 is 25. 425 is 100. Again 1 4 is 4. 8 4s are 32. That is 12. 1 by 2% of 64 is how much? 8. How much? 8. 9 is, the next one is, 9 is, number 9 is 25% of what number? 25% of what number? That is, what number of 25% is 9? That is a question. Here we don't know what number, so let it be x. Let x be a number. So according to the question, 25% of that number. So 25% of number. That number be, we took it as x. So 25% of x is equal to how much dear? 9. That is 25% of that number is 9. It is given. So 25 percentage of that number, we don't know that number, let it be x. So 25 percentage of x equal to 9. So how will you write 25 percentage? 25 by 100 into x is equal to 9. 125 is 25, 425 is 100. So x by 4 which is equal to 9. So x is equal to 9 4s are 36. X equal to how much dear? 9 4s are 36. So 25 percentage of 36 is what? 9. 25 percentage of 36 is what? 9. Am I right? Yes. Now look at the question. Divide 150 sweets. Divide 150 sweets among Noel and Mridula. Noel and Mridula. If Noel gets 20 percentage, if Noel gets 20 percentage and Mridula gets 80 percentage. Mridula gets 80 percentage. Now the question is, how many sweets each of them will get? How many sweets each of them will get? Am I right, dear? Now can you, shall we start? Yeah. Tell me, dear. Now the total number of sweets how much? 150. That is, Noel gets 20 percentage of that total number of sweets, and then Mridula get 80 percentage of total number of sweets. Am I right? Now that is number of sweets Noel gets. Number of sweets Noel gets is equal to how much? 20 percentage of 150. That is 20 percentage of the total sweets. Total sweets it's given as 150. So 20 percentage means 20 by 100 into 150. 0 0 you can cancel here. 0 0. So 15 2s are 30 sweets. Who will get? Noel will get 30 sweets, and then Mridula will get remaining number of sweets. The total number of sweets how much it's given? 150. So 150 minus 30 is, so 120 sweets who will get? Mridula will get. Otherwise see, number of sweets Mridula gets is equal to, she is getting 80 percentage of the total. So 80 by 100 into 150 here. So 10 8s are 80, 5 8s are 40. So 120 sweets who will get? Mridula will get. Are you getting there? Yes. Then after that, increased percentage or decreased percentage. Increased percentage or decreased percentage. That is change in value by original value. Change in value by original value into 100 percentage. Am I right here? I will give you one example. Listen. My present salary is, otherwise my last year's salary was, rupees 40,000. How much? 40,000. Now my present salary is, and my present salary is 55,000. Now what is the percentage of increase in my salary? What is the percentage of increase in my salary? How will you find? Now increased percentage is equal to, now what is the change in value? Last year it was 40,000, now it is 55,000. Now how much it increased? Yes, 55 minus 40 is 15,000 it increased. Okay. Now last year my salary was how much? 40,000 into 100 percentage. That is, cancel now. 0 0 you can cancel. 2 2s are 4, 5 2s are 10. That is 15 into 5 is how much dear? 75 by 2 percentage. That is equal to, tell me. That 75 by 2 is 3 2s are 6, 7 2s are 14. That is 37.5 percentage increase in my salary. How much percentage increase? 37.5 5 percentage increase in my salary. Are you getting clear? Yes. In the next video, we will discuss profit and loss. We will discuss some questions from profit and loss. Thank you.